Unlock the world of first financials for your child with a simple Revolut Junior card activation. Why hero? Let's get started. First, ensure you have the Revolut app installed and your parent account is logged in. Navigate to the Junior section. This is usually found at the bottom of the screen or within the main menu. If you don't see it, make sure your Revolut app is updated to the latest version. Tap on Add Junior or a similar prompt to begin the setup process. You'll then be guided to create a profile for your child. This typically involves entering their name and date of birth. Now, let's get to the card itself. The app generation will likely show you a preview of the Revolut Junior card. You might have options to choose colors or add personal touches. Once you're happy, confirm the card creation. Your Revolut Junior card will be dispatched while you wait for the physical card. You can often access and manage digital features within the app for immediate use or to set up account parameters. This is a crucial step for responsible financial education within the Junior section. Locate the spending limits or permissions area here. You can set daily or per transaction limits, controlling how much your child can spend. You can also often define specific categories where the card can be used, allowing you to guide their spending towards educational or necessary items. This empowers them to learn about budgeting and smart choices. Once your physical card arrives, you'll need to activate it. Follow the on-screen instructions in the Revolut app, which often involves entering the card's 16-digit number or scanning a QR code. And there you have it. Your Revolut Junior card is activated and ready for your child's first steps into managing their own money. Explore the app together to see all the great features designed for learning and growing.